Hey guys, thank you for being with us and welcome back once again. My name is Fasile. So today we are going to have our first lesson in pronunciation, as you can see here, and our topic will be vowel sounds. Okay, so today we are going to talk about short vowel sounds, and we are going to have only two short vowel sounds, which are E and U, as you can see here. Now we go. First of all, we are going to talk about the way the sounds are articulated through the articulators. Now let's start with E sound. E is a short sound, okay, is a short vowel sound. It is created with the tongue rounded upward. You will probably be able to feel your top side teeth with the side of your tongue. So this is the way this E short sound is articulated or produced. Now, we are going to have some examples of words, phrases, and sentences in which this E sound is used. Now, first, let's go with words. Please repeat these words after me. Him, miss, sit, kit, return, bit, remind, twin, become, message, carriage, passage, king, guitar, damage, luggage, hill, build, cottage, tinny, renew, bean, and behave. Alright, now let's go now with some phrases in which we have E sound. Great. So, we have drink milk, little beans, biggest building, this guitar, different symbols, miss it, renew it, and drink it. So these are some phrases of some phrases in which we have the E sound. Now from there we go with some examples of sentences in which E sound is used. Now you repeat after me. It is difficult to live here. Jim will visit the kids for a few minutes. Can you list all symbols in physics? My sister often listens to guitar music. So these are some examples of sentences. Now let's go with the second sound, which is U, as you can see here. Now first of all, we are going to talk about the way this sound is articulated, as we did previously with E sound. Now here, to pronounce this U, make your lip a little rounded. Your tongue is not so far back, and pronounce the sound U. Now, here again, we are going to have some examples of sentences, of words first, then phrases and sentences. Now, repeat these words after me. Cook, foot, book, took, would, should, could, full, and pull. Now, we go with the phrases. Took a look, push and pull, full of sugar, cookery book, good neighborhood, good looking woman, good cook. Very good. Now here are some examples of sentences. Repeat after me. This woman is a good cook. I understood the book, but he couldn't. I took a look at the wool pullover. You should read this cookery book if you could. So these are again some examples of sentences in which we have a U sound. And now from there you have your exercises here. You have two sections, section A and B. Section A, provide 5 different words of your own for each of these vowel sounds. Provide 5 words with the E sound and 5 with the U sound. Then section B, read the following words below, then record your voice with your phone and send it in my inbox. With the E sound, you read these 10 words by recording your voice and you send it. Very good. So I want to check exactly your pronunciation. Very good. Now, thank you very much for watching with attention and interest. I hope this rubric will help you to improve your pronunciation skills and you will be pronouncing English words correctly soon. So keep on practicing your English. Wish you all the best in your English learning process, and bye for now.